Hi, I'm Dr. Hillary Kreisberg. My co-author Kit Norris and I developed Let's Talk Math, Engaging Students as Mathematical Thinkers, a K-5 curricular resource that helps students build their identities as mathematical problem solvers through structured discourse routines and high-demand tasks. I'm here today to help you unbox your kit. Let's start with the task cards. When you open up your box, you'll see on the left-hand side the task cards. Each kit has 120 cognitively demanding tasks printed on 60 double-sided colorful cards. If you struggle to find challenging and rigorous problems for students to solve, Let's Talk Math is your answer. You'll also find section dividers. These section dividers are colored according to the mathematical practices that are the focus of the kit. And what I love about it is that it's easy to use. I can easily grab a task that has the same color as the divider, and I know that that task matches the practice that is at play. So if I'm teaching a small group, I can easily pull out the divider that has a reminder for the students about what the practice is that we're focusing on, and I can easily access the tasks that correspond. Next, you'll find the teacher's guide. This teacher guide has over 30 pages of details on how to implement the lessons. In here, we talk about the research that generated the need for this resource, the mathematical practices and process standards that are the foundation of the kit, the structured discourse routines, and how to use them in your classroom, and then, of course, the actual lessons. The lessons that are in here correspond to the lessons that are in these colorful task cards that you also have. Each lesson has the task itself, has the answers, possible misconceptions that students might make, language supports, differentiation strategies such as how to scaffold, as well as additional tasks to extend students' thinking. There's also a pacing support guide. I'm going to go to that. This pacing support guide helps you navigate when you might want to use specific tasks, which I find so beautiful because this can be used at any time during the year. Let's Talk Math is meant to be a supplemental resource to your core curriculum to help deepen students' understanding and problem-solving skills. You also have access to the Let's Solve student workbook, which has the Understand and Plan routine, as well as the Share and Discuss routine right up front, so students can access it right away, and they can refer to it throughout the year. The workbook also includes colorful tasks, just like the ones you saw before, the task cards, but this time they provide open space for students to show their thinking. On the back of each task is the third and final routine. Reflect and write. The kit also comes with a big poster. This colorful poster identifies the mathematical practices and processes that are written in student-friendly language. What I love about this is that it's double-sided. So the orange side is simpler language. It's best used at grades kindergarten or 1, or for entering or emerging English learners. And then the blue side is better suited for grades 2 to 5, or for developing, expanding, or bridging English learners. And lastly, on the left-hand side of the box, you have the digital resource box. And inside here, you have access to the digital and multimedia resource card, which gives you a unique code that allows you access to a suite of additional supports, like progress monitoring tools, or animated videos of the practices for students to learn the routines. We also have teacher-facing videos to help understand the product. There's word wall cards that you can print out. And then all of the components that you see here in this box are also available in the digital library so that you can use them to project in your classroom, or you can print for other needs. And I love that it's so easy to use both in person or in a virtual classroom as well. This kit is just so easy to use. I love that the box is sleek and thin, right? It's so lightweight, it's portable, it's able to sit nicely on a bookshelf without taking up too much space. And again, it's easy to carry so that when I'm working with small groups, I don't have to lug this big teacher's guide. It's very light and portable. We hope this unboxing video was helpful for you. And we also hope that this resource helps your students become confident mathematical thinkers. Thanks for joining us.